Let's face it, we all love those standalone dresses that all you need to do is throw on a pair of earrings, slip on some shoes, and away you go out the door. Simple, right? Well, I don't know about you, but a lot of times I find myself having one outfit that has to go double duty or triple duty because I'm going to different events throughout the day. So here's a few ideas that you can implement. This goes a little bit beyond this a scarf or accessories. It's some fun ways to pick up an outfit. First, I chose today a jersey knit one color outfit. It's a tunic top, and I like the solid outfit. I like the fabric because I can wear it all day and it feels comfortable. So pick the color that works best for you. So say, for example, you're going to breakfast in the morning with a friend, going to the office in the afternoon, and you're going to a cocktail party at night. What are you going to do? Well, I want to give you some ideas so you don't have to pack a whole nother suitcase in your car. First, stay with this tunic dress, and you could add perhaps a pair of fun blue shoes and even some leggings. Those are going to give you the casualness that you like and all the same color tone. Next, for later in the afternoon, when you go to the business meeting, you can change out the leggings for a black skirt and slip on a pair of black pumps. In the evening, if you want to do something a little bit nicer, change out the black skirt and pick a pair of pants that actually has some great design to it. This one has a little bit of leather, has some cut work, a little bit of a shimmer to it, and it's guaranteed to be evening wear. If you don't want to wear black shoes, you can always try something a little different, a little bit of blue. So keep in mind, you can have one outfit, change it up with just a few things, and you've got 3 different looks. So you're ready for a fabulous day.